Hi everyone, to our wonderful users, I would like to share with you something that might be helpful. Sometimes when a new user to a system like Orcanos is getting on board, there is some learning curve that he needs to go through in order to start working with the system in a more comfortable way. But we can also make it even easier for them by bringing up some of the day-to-day operational actions to the front of the dashboards. A very nice way to do it is by finding a way to place the process that you would like to address in a shareable environment. In this example, I'm using Google Sheet because Orcanos is using G Suite. And in this example, you can see that I've created a very simple slideshow of one slide only, where I was also able to set the size of the page so it will be very nicely placed in the whole space that I'm allocating inside Orcanos using the report of type iframe. What I was doing here, beside the fact I was illustrating the information, I was also able to create interactive buttons that are coming from this slideshow that is presenting the process. So as a user, first of all, I have the capability to understand and learn about how this process looks like, what is expected from me. If I'm novice in the world of compliance, I can see there is a CAPA process, there is a root cause investigation, and then out of it, there is corrective and preventive actions. There are some trace that can go through other processes and so on, and there is a decision that goes at the end, and the whole thing is very, very easily explaining the process. But in other cases, I would like to present data. So I have created here two areas in the first action process in the CAPA. One is to present all the active CAPA, which is basically a link to a filter. A simple filter that I have created that present me all the active Kappas in my database. It allows me to place the Kappa process. It allows me to navigate and search on the top area. It allows me also to access the Kappa directly and also to perform some actions such as signing the Kappa and so on and so forth. One of the action buttons that you have available is the plus button that allows you to add a new Kappa. In this sense, currently, we are allowing you to add a Kappa to the backlog of Orcanos pull list. And then clicking on the plus button is another interactive URL that allows us to open a new Kappa form directly from the dashboard, from the process that I'm about to operate and to be part of. And in this way, the system will allow you to add a new Kappa, and you will be able to fill all the necessary information depending on your role. And based on that, you can also control what fields you want to present to the user depending on the group and role that is performing in that specific action process. In case you are intending to provide this Kappa to external resource, such as a supplier that you want to collaborate with your suppliers and open a SCAR, which is a supplier corrective action report, then you will be able to do the same thing for your supplier by limiting the supplier access control into your database and providing them only the necessary information. That could be a simple dashboard and interactive buttons that goes along with it. I hope that this session was helpful for you and that you can enjoy it and implement it in your own database.